In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wix mobile background video not playing. If your background video looks fine on desktop, but does not show or play properly on mobile. The good news is that this is usually a quick fix inside the Wix editor. I will walk you through the process clearly so you can update the setting and make sure your mobile visitors get the experience you want. Start by opening your Wix editor. Make sure you are in the main editing dashboard for the site where the issue is happening. Once you are there, go to the top bar of the desktop editor and click the mobile icon. This switches your workspace from the desktop layout to the mobile view, which is important because Wix gives you separate controls for how certain elements behave on mobile devices. After you switch to mobile view, locate the area that contains your background video. This could be a strip, a column, or a section of the page, depending on how the site was built. Click directly on the element that holds the background video so Wix knows exactly which section you want to edit. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct area, especially if your page has multiple sections with backgrounds. Once the correct section is selected, a small menu of icons should appear above it or nearby. In that menu, click the first icon labeled background. This opens the background settings for that specific strip, column, or section. These settings control how the background appears and behaves, including whether the video is allowed to play on mobile devices. Inside the background settings, look for the option called Play Video on Mobile. If this setting is turned off, your background video may not display the way you expect on phones or tablets. Toggle that switch to the on position. This tells Wix to allow the video background to play when someone visits your site on a mobile device. After turning that setting on, don't stop there. Click Preview so you can test the page and confirm that the video is now working in mobile view. Previewing first helps you catch any issues before making the change live. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish to save your changes and update the live version of your site. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.